see what all opportunities are there along with the advancement which is happening in the market. Well, nothing much to talk about, but just to start, it is the undoubtedly largest market in the world, and that is why it is attracting all the investors, traders, and so many strategists to try their luck into Forex market. So if you see 2024, percentage wise, along with against the United States, which all currencies were highly traded, most of you may be knowing, but then still to recapitulate, there was a Canadian dollar, Great Britain pound, Euro USD were among the highly traded currency pairs, then Swiss franc, Chinese yuan, and then Japanese yen. Finally, we have Australian dollar. These were the highly traded currency pairs in association with, of course, United States dollars. All right. So, well, said and done. Many of you may be knowing all these statistics, but there are few more interesting statistics about market is, see, there is a difference between the volume and the capitalization. Now we are going to talk something about the market capitalization of Forex. And the market size of the Forex capitalization wise is $805 billion as of today, and it is going to reach to $1.46 trillion, $1.466 billion by 2032. So here we are expecting a growth of 6.92%. This is in market capitalization. So you can imagine, if a market is growing at the rate of 6.92%, the equivalent amount of volume is expected to grow. So that $7.5 trillion per day is going to grow at the rate of 6.92% per annum. And that is the power and that is the depth of this market. Few more interesting statistics to look at is who are the major participants of this market. So that we call them a counterparty. So the major chunk of this market is dominated by reporting dealers. 50% of the market is dominated by reporting dealers, and when I say reporting dealers, that means they are the top of the institutions, top of the institutional traders, hedge funds, banks, transactional settlement banks. They are actually dominating this market, and then followed by other small financial institutions at the rate of 30%, and the non-financial customers like you and me falls in this 20%. So just imagine we are a part of this 20% fighting against this mighty 70% people. So if you don't have any idea about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, geopolitical analysis, sentimental analysis, or for that matter any sort of analysis, what are your chances of winning against this mighty people is zero. That's where your money is going, my friend. Alright, so how we could not talk about the Middle East opportunity while standing here in Dubai. So undoubtedly, Dubai is becoming a hub for Forex. Why? Because of their strong regulatory framework. Everyone wants to become a ESPA category 1 regulated broker, but the standards are so high, there are hardly few brokers who could achieve that milestone of becoming a ESPA category 1 regulated broker and tier 1 liquidity provider. So this is absolutely a game changer, and the real darling is zero income tax and no capital gain tax, of course. Along with that, DIFC has become a home to many hedge funds nowadays. The hedge funds are now moving their base, or either they are opening a second office here in DIFC, which is again supported by DMCC, which supports Forex related activities. So all these, including making Middle East, particularly Dubai, as the most sought after destination for Forex traders, crypto traders, and brokers. Even the hedge funds are started coming into Middle East, in Dubai. So when we talk about the opportunity, of course, the opportunities are driven by technology. And what are the technology digital platform that bring the revolution in Forex market is, of course, mobile trading. That was a game changer for Forex market as soon as the mobile trading was introduced. there was a spurt in the volume of Forex market, followed by social trading, then we have copy trading and box trading, automated trading, algo trading, whatever you may call it. So copy trading nowadays become very popular, especially in India. There are so many Indians I can see here. So somehow it is becoming very popular because it's very easy, and all those proclaimed fund managers, they are now behind this copy trading thing and creating nuisances in the market. But this is for good, my friend. I'm telling you, PAM and MAM is little difficult to understand, little difficult to acquire, and many people, they may not be having so much of corpus to use PAM or MAM system. For them, copy trading is really a good option, and that is what is driving a volume, retail volume in the market. All right. So there is something called AI powered analysis. When we are talking about technology, how come we cannot talk about AI? So this AI powered analysis, see, earlier we used to do analysis manually. I know the pain behind analyzing a vast amount of data. It's all about crunching data, you call it data crunching. So manually it takes a lot of time, efforts, it's tiresome, cumbersome to crunch the data which is happening at the click of the button with the help of AI. So AI powered analysis is something getting more popularity, and that is again becoming a game changer. So why we are discussing this? Because this is bringing you an opportunity. If anyone who is not from economical finance background, economic background, not from Forex background, not from blockchain technology background, still he can make a good career with the help of AI based knowledge, technology based knowledge, Python, C++, Java. On the basis of that, you can still make your career, a big career in finance sector. Then comes predictive analysis. This is actually giving us a very tough competition. We being a research analyst, technical analyst, or whatever analyst, this one thing is giving us a tough competition if we consider this as a competitor. Rather, we should be befriended with all this technology and use it for our advantage. So this gives you, of course, more accurate data crunching with the help of that. Early detection of trends, allowing the trade to happen at a better risk reward ratio, which is in your favor. All those things are happening with the help of predictive analysis. Nowadays, this is just a predictive analysis. It is giving you a prediction. Very soon, it will be a reactive analysis. It will predict also and it will trade also. So, just imagine if you are keeping yourself away from all this technology, again your chances of growth in this field going to be very minute, or you will be a part of the history which will be forgotten soon. So, you have to adopt it. And one more thing which is making this technology dearer for the Forex brokers, for crypto companies, for hedge funds, is the help of this technology for risk assessment and risk management. See, risk management has always been a backbone of financial industry. What happened in 2008 should not be forgotten. There were giants who failed. They were too big to fail, but still they failed because of lack of risk management. They came up with so much of complicated product that they could not manage their own risk, which is associated with that product. So now this is becoming quite easy, simple, and easy to manage. You did not a large manual team to see which client, which position is falling into risk, to cut that position, to cover that position, or whatever action you may require to take. This is all happening by itself with the help of technology. So you must adopt a technology, otherwise you will be perished. So what are the emerging trends? Let's get back to get quickly into it. Again, technological innovation is incomplete without blockchain technology. I am not talking about cryptocurrencies. I am talking about hardcore blockchain technology. which has been used in almost all fields. Even this Expo, very Expo, is managed with the help of blockchain technology. So, what is happening? Increased security is open secret nowadays because cryptography is very difficult to break, very difficult to get into or tamper into. So it gives you a very secure environment for brokers, for traders, for bankers, and to the entire ecosystem. And the most important is very low cost. See, cost of transaction has always been a problem in stock market, not only in India, across the globe. In stock market, the cost of transactions are very high. At some places they are manageable, at some places they are absolutely out of control. But here, with the integration of blockchain, when the settlement is happening so fast, the cost of transaction has come down to negligible. That is the one more reason which is propelling the growth of Forex market, Forex industry. Alright. Then improved transparency and traceability. Blockchain provides all sort of data which is available in the open market, open source market. So the transparency is very high, and because of that the settlement is very, very fast. Earlier I remember there used to be a T+2 settlement. How many of you know T+15 settlement, T+5 settlement, T+2 settlement? That means the transaction done by you today, if you made some profit, you will not get the withdrawal today or tomorrow immediately. It will come to you after T+2 days. T considering today plus 2 days. That is how the waiting period was there. And before that it was T+5, T+15. But with the help of technology, it is happening like T+1. Few days going forward, it will be T+0, and it may be T+1 hour. You close your transaction 1 hour, within 1 hour you will get your withdrawals. I'm not talking about the withdrawals which you are getting right now in India and Africa. Instant withdrawal. There is nothing called instant, boss. If your money has gone to liquidity provider, there are no chance, no way that liquidity provider will give you instant withdrawal and that you can process to the client. So if anybody promising you instant withdrawal, it's an alarm for you. It's a red flag. Then CBDC impact nowadays, all the countries are converting their fiat currency into digital currencies. So will not go much in detail. This also allows faster transaction, low cost of transaction. Then controlled volatility because of fiat. What is happening is the liquidity is increasing because of controlled volatility, and of course enhanced monetary policy control. See, unless you have a good monetary control, unless you have a control over demand and supply of your currency, the country cannot grow, the country cannot stable, the currency cannot be considered as a stable. And there is something called API integration, API economy. This API is again proved to be a game changer. Why? Because you can do real-time trading with the help of API integration only. Before API integration, there were so many glitches, so many paperwork needs to be done to process your entire trading transaction. Now, with the help of API integration, it is happening in a real time. Of course, cost of efficiency. Technology, if you consider, one common benefit is cost efficiency. That is going to be common across all technologically invented products. Alright? All. So, alarm is buzzing, but I cannot leave it halfway. So, we'll talk a little more about this in our next meeting. You can visit us on booth number 161, that is FX Career. So what is impacting? I'll take only one point and we'll just quickly go forward. That is education and skill development. And that is what we are into. We provide a quality education. We are KSDA approved and whatnot. But the enhanced overall quality of trader is achieved only through education. Alright, then the next impacting factor is risk management expertise, which issue how to manage your risk, how to manage your trades. So trade management, risk management, money management all goes hand in hand. Without that, your trading journey is incomplete and you are going to reach nowhere. Alright? Just to quickly go ahead, impacting factor, regulatory compliance. Yeah, without regulation, there is no growth or sustainability or the consumer confidence. So this is our trading floor. We are here in Latifa Tower, floor number 32nd. This is our robust trading floor and YFX career. I'll just take you quickly through it. We provide in-depth training, Forex market and all those things. You can read it. I'm getting warning again and again, so I'm very sorry. It was a short period of time, but this is what we are about. All right. So this is a Forex. Sorry. All right. Fine. Voice. Excuse me. No voice. All right, so that's it, friends. Thank you so much. You can meet us on booth number 161. I'm sorry for the voice. There was no voice somehow. And see you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Sandesh. How interesting, this AI-powered analysis. It's gaining a lot of popularity, definitely improving your forecasting and your predictive analysis. So do get on board, ladies and gentlemen, new technologies. All right. I have a question for all of you traders. I've noticed that a lot of you are wearing sunglasses. Is this a thing? Is this a trader thing I should know of? Yes? All right, I'm just going to restate that we are in a very tight schedule, so please, for respect for the other speakers, please do mind the timer that is here before you and stay with your time frame. All right, let us welcome our next speaker on innovative solutions for today's trading environment. He is the commercial director for Capital Extend. Please welcome Afshin Medizadeh. Welcome, Afshin. Let's set the timer, please.
I will try my best. No.
Can we get the clicker, please? I believe that Sandesh might have walked away with it. Thank you.
Voice is clear? Yes. Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Afshin. I'm commercial director at Capital Extend. And what is not working? Excuse me. Not working. Okay. Perfect. Okay. As I said, I'm commercial director at Capital Extend, a regulated Forex broker dedicated to provide you the best trading experience in the Forex market. And today I have the privilege to showcase the trading condition, exceptional trading condition that Capital Extend offers to the clients all around the world who can have the best trading experience in Capital Extend. I remember in the previous Expo, I explained why you should be a partner with Capital Extend and choose Capital Extend as your partner broker. But this year, I want to take you through what makes Capital Extend the best for the traders and why you choose Capital Extend as a trader for your main trading activities in all asset classes we have in the Forex market. Okay. Firstly, I can mention that Capital Extend supporting both platform of MT4 and MT5, which are basically the most popular platform all around the world. And no matter your trading strategy and expert is set up for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you can run it in Capital Extend and make the best out of your strategy with the exceptional trading condition that Capital Extend offers, and we will go through in the next slides. What I have chosen to present to you today about the trading condition and the points that make Capital Extend a great broker to trade with is first, multi-layer security protection that we have, which ensure us and ensures you as a trader that your fund and your data is secure and safe with us, so you have no worries on that side and you just focus on your trading activity in the market. So you just with the peace of mind about the security of your data and your fund, you just focus how to make money in the market. Advanced trading infrastructure, which basically allows us to provide you high speed data feed, which help very fast execution in the market, and also help the broker to provide you with the lowest spreads in the market, which I can say it starts from 0 on euro dollar and 0.6 pip or 6 point on gold. So these are the two mains that I can say for the trading activity. If you are also very a scalper, I can say you scalp in the market and you trade very fast. So these two help the broker to provide you the best trading condition in these aspects. Additional to that, advanced management, risk management tools that Capital Extend has allows us to provide you with the, I can say, maximum leverage in the market. I didn't see any other broker, at least I didn't see, up to 5,000 leverage Capital Extend provides to the traders. So you can just reduce your risk by paying less margin for your trades and keep more free margin for the risk management purposes of your orders. Or you have more money to use for other trades, other opportunities that you have in the market to execute new orders with the money that you have. Additional to that, as a customer, I can say I prefer to buy whatever I need and get whatever service I want, all from one place. Not go store to store and select what I need. Okay, as a client, as a trader, I'm sure that you want also to have all the trading assets you need in one broker, in one account. So don't go to different brokers for different asset classes to trade on. And also, if even in the same broker, don't open different account type for different products. That's why Capital Extend offers Forex as instruments, metals, crypto instruments on CFD shares, EU and US, as well as indices. So we make sure that you have what you need all in one account type. So you have opportunity in crypto, you can trade on crypto. You see opportunity in CFD shares, you can trade on shares and no need to transfer funds from account to account or from different brokers. So you have all you need in one broker, one account type. Okay, so far I can say those points were very important for the individual traders and expert traders, especially those who do scalping in the market and looking for the best execution, lowest spread in the market, and highest leverage in the market. So those three aspects we already covered for the experts in the market and traders who has a lot of experience and I can say do scalping, are familiar with scalping. But not all the people in the market are experts. Not everyone has the best trading strategy to use what I have mentioned previously, and some people are looking for good traders to just invest their money on them, on their strategy, and make the best out of their money. That's why Capital Extend provide copy trading platform for those investors who want to have their money saved in their account, not investing in another money, not giving money to another person, just have the money in the account and just copy other people's trader. I'm sure everyone knows about copy trading and how it works, so I don't want to waste the time that they have for me here and it's ticking. So I just tell you that it's a very good platform that you can use if you are looking to invest on other people's strategy. Also, if you have already a strategy, which I see great traders here and I know that they have best strategies in the market, so you can run your strategy on the copy trading platform and just get passive income by doing nothing, just registering your account in the copy trading platform. Other people copy you and you just get your share of the profit on their account. Okay. Copy trading is very simple platform, very easy to use for both investor and provider. But for those people who want to be more engaged with their investor, or their strategy is fast scalping, and even 1 millisecond execution difference between the accounts is very important, they can go on PAM. So in PAM account, you just ask your investors to fund their money into PAM account, and you as a trader start trading on one account, which is easy to manage. Basically, you have all the fund in one account and you know how much money is connected to you and how much money you are trading on, so easier to manage your risk. And at the end of the month or at the end of the interval that you choose, weekly, daily or monthly, system will calculate the profit, will divide the profit between investors and give you the shares, give you the management fee also as a trader on the PAM account. So we at Capital Extend, we also cover the part for investors, for people who don't have their own strategies and they want to use other people's strategies. But we have some general aspects as well, which benefit both expert traders and people with lower knowledge that are looking for investing platform. Capital Extend has advantage for both of them, for all type of the clients who are trading with us currently. First advantage that we have, and it's thanks to our payment team. Capital Extend striving day by day to bring the best payment provider systems into the platform to make sure our clients worldwide can make their deposit, withdraw their fund and profit by the easiest and most convenient way for them. We have natural risk free, perfect money, I can say the best PSPs in the world. Also, we have local methods for each country, which helps basically local method of depositing and withdrawing fund. Our payment team did great in this aspect, and I'm very happy with what they did at Capital Extend for the payment. But all, as a trader, we are doing business. We are businessmen, everyone. So we care about our money. We care how much we are spending, how much cost the business has for us. Less cost, more profit, correct? With the promotion, cashback promotion that Capital Extend has, our clients can get back up to $5,000 of their trading cost from the company. It means whatever profit you make in your account, you can add up to $5,000 of your trading cost as well. So lower cost means more profit. So you have saved here up to $5,000 profit on your account. Additional to that, for those people who are willing to have more money in their account, to manage more the risk of their account, we offer 30% deposit bonus up to $300, which is trading bonus basically, and help your margin in case of high volatility in the market. So you have 30% more in your account there, which helps your margin, helps your account to recover just in case market goes very fast against your order. So you have more money to support your trades. Okay, to summarize, why you should choose Capital Extend as your main broker in Forex market, I can say we provide the highest leverage in the market, up to 5,000 leverage, which again I say I didn't see any broker providing this much leverage. If you know, please come to Booth 28 and tell me. I want to know the name of our competitors who are providing the same. That would be my honor to know. We provide different asset classes, and we almost cover everything that you need in the financial market and under CFD contracts to make sure that you have what you need in one broker under one account type and get the benefit of all the market. We have 24/7 multilingual support team which can support you in any language. We can say almost not any language, we have a lot, but I can say right now we have up to 8 or 10 language support. We have lowest spread in the market, and it's not just for advertisement. You can download the platform, register in Capital Extend, and check euro-dollar spread on Pro ECN account or Platinum account, which basically is zero. We have traders here who are trading with us, and they have experienced many years with this spread, and they can confirm it for you if you want. Payment method, which I already mentioned, is very easy. Any region you are working and we cover it, is available on our website. We have the best payment method available for you to deposit, make your trades, and withdraw with whatever method is convenient for you. Okay. So far I covered the reasons that you should choose Capital Extend as your main broker. And this last slide is about why you should come to Capital Extend booth today and visit our booth. And the reason is we have a very great challenge today, which you can show your trading skills on the 5-minute chart of the gold and get up to $300 trading bonus, which you can trade at Capital Extend and withdraw the profit that you make on that account. So make sure you visit our booth. Is exactly out of the hall when you go left side, booth 28, and my colleagues are there to help you to register and participate in our great challenge. Thank you so much, everyone.
Fantastic, Afshin, on time, just the way I like it. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Afshin. Thank you so much for all the insight. Please do go visit them at their booth just next door. All right, moving on. We have a session on innovative strategies in digital marketing for online trading platforms. We're going to hear from the head of sales and product of Primex Capitals, a seasoned professional in sales and product management, specializing in wealth management, Forex, and commodities. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mohammed Ahmed Khan. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Good morning, guys. Can you hear me?
Let's set the timer, please.
Do I look the same? Guys, come on. Okay. So, to start again, good morning, guys. My name is Mohammed Ahmed Khan. Okay, I started my career, I would introduce myself, started my career with banking, being into the wealth side of major multinationals, and almost like I've sold all the wealth management product, be it from SIPs, mutual funds, venture hit, trade finance, and then I landed into the Forex market. And it's been 12 years now. I have been into the industry, wherein our prime objective and my prime objective is to guide, educate our clients, especially focus more on risk management. This is where my expertise belongs to, and diversify the portfolio. This is what our major goal is, and my major goal is to guide and help my clients to do and be into this industry. Carrying forward, I started working with Primex, and my reason to work with Primex was that our vision and our mission, honestly, is very simple and clear. Okay, so to begin with and to start with, I would first take you where I'll be speaking into this forum. Like, I will introduce my company. I would take you to the Forex market overview. I know, for sure, there are a lot of people out here present, knows and who are experts into this industry. I would not take majorly, and I would not drive them majorly into and not bore you guys, especially talking about my product. You guys can visit me. You guys can visit my expert team who is present at booth number 16. So yeah, please keep this in mind. Booth number 16 is your go-to-go booth if you want to know more about the product of Primex. To start with, Primex, we are a major brokers in the market with FSCA regulations from South Africa. Okay, and our service is it's a diverse assets portfolio wherein we execution is flawless. If you talk about all major assets, we have more than 2,000 instruments out in our platform, and we deal with most of the B2B and B2C clients. So service is we endorse our services, especially into this Forex market. So our mission is to to have the best CRM. Okay, we are competing with most of the top brokers, you can say, into the industry, be it our CRM, be it our platform.